Hi, it's Phil here. So I'm here today to show you my Honda CR-V 2 litre ES. It's an 0707, one owner from new, 6 service stamps, 97,000 miles, with some really nice extras on it. It is a category N car. It's had the front bumper replaced and painted. So there you go. So what I'll do first, I'll take you around the front. So as you can see, it's got privacy glass, it's got fog lights, it has parking sensors, it has headlight washers, okay? And also it's got the upgraded alloys. Would you believe when they were new, they were just shy of £2,000 list price. Absolute fortune. So you take down the line of the car. Absolutely super condition. Down that side of the car. No bumper scuffs on the corners. As you can see, the privacy glass and the parking sensors. Down this side of the car, again, no bumper scuffs on the corners. All the tyres are good. 12 months MOT, just been serviced. The MOT, again, no advisories. It's just a straight, proper, correct car. So what I'll do now is I'll take you around the inside of the car, so I'll see you in a minute. Hi, it's Phil again, so I'm back now. So what I'm going to do is going to take you inside the car. So we'll take the engine bay first. As you can hear, it's running. Looks like a new battery. Now don't forget, this is a HD camera, so you can stop and start. Have a real good look. Yeah. So there you go. So I'll take you in the inside now. Now don't forget, one owner from new. It's got 6 service stamps with it, plus our own. That's 6 with Honda. 97,000 miles, as you can see. No lights, no anything on it. All correct and as it should be. Taking in the seats and so on. It's got 2 keys with it, as you can see. Taking the rear of the car, rear door card. All the head restraints. It's got the mats with it as well. Privacy glass. The boot, all the tools there and so on. So just to recap, one owner from new, 6 service stamps with Honda, with ourselves, 97,000 miles, just been serviced, just MOT'd, category N car, as I've said, front bumper which has been replaced. So if you need any further information on the car, give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and really I hope to hear from you soon. All the best now, thanks.